You can try Apple Vision Pro's interface on your Quest Pro today. There is a company called Supernova Technologies that released an app that you can sideload on your Quest Pro that will give you a taste of what it will be like to use Apple Vision Pro in the future. Somebody spotted a 180-degree stereoscopic camera on the set of an Apple TV Plus show. So this suggests that when Apple Vision Pro is released next year, we will have some immersive video content to enjoy, possibly within the Apple TV app. Vision Pro will not be available in any of the third-party retailers at launch. If you want to buy it, you will have to do it through Apple's website or just walk into the Apple store. Samsung is delaying the release of its XR headset. Turns out they look at Apple's announcement and they decided that, okay, if we want to be competitive, we'll have to up the specs a little bit, back to the drawing board for Samsung. We're planning to release something in January of 2024. Looks like that is going to be delayed about 3, 4, 5 months. If you are disappointed with a very low $3,500 price for Apple Vision Pro, do not worry. There is a company out there called Caviar. They make luxury accessories. They would be very happy to sell you a $40,000 version of that same headset. Make sure to follow if you want to see more content like this in your feed.